Alright, it's time to install Nuclei framework. So basically, with the help of it is an open source framework that you can use in order to find out different vulnerabilities in the, you can say, in any web application. So yeah, it will do perform so many attacks. Active scan, it is basically a scanner, okay, kind of scanner which find out CVEs, different vulnerabilities for you. So you just need to go to the Google and type Nuclei GitHub. That's all you need to do. So it is also discovered created by Project Discovery in Go language, so you can just go through it. Here we have the install guide, so you can just, as always, copy the URL and go back to your machine, Kali machine, just paste it. It might take some time because the framework is heavy a bit, so definitely it will take some usage, approximately 250 to 300 MB, depends on yeah, it have a bit extra resources as compared to the other tools. So it will download everything for us, then we will need to run it in order to it basically, the Nuclei framework always scan the target based on templates. So there is so many templates, and it will run all kind of templates on our target in order to find out vulnerabilities in the target. And to be honest, you can run this Nuclei template on multiple target. You just need to provide the list of the host. For example, I have 10 target and I want to find vulnerabilities into them. I can literally put all those targets or host in a file, and then I can provide the file to the Nuclei, and the Nuclei will basically scan all those hosts or targets for me. So let's wait until it get completed. Okay, so it might take time. It's also depend on internet connection too. If you have a slow internet connection, make sure to wait. You have to wait a bit extra. Okay, so I hope we are closer enough. Yeah, seems like we are close. You can also see the usage. So basically it is using 100% my CPU. Definitely these kind of tools take so much processor and and other things like internet. So it is always recommended to use these tools in VPS, virtual private server. I will try to cover that topic too, that how you can set up all these tools in your VPS externally, so it will not put any kind of stress on your machine, on your own machine. But if you have a good system and if you have a good internet, then you can just go with it. There is no problem at all. Okay, so I hope it get done soon. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think we just done with it. So let's check that everything works. Yeah, we just complete the Nuclei. So the next thing is just move the Nuclei to user bin directory and then try to run it. Okay, you just need to type nuclei on the screen, and you can see that it run. But remember, there is no template inside it, so it will automatically started installing all the necessary templates. Yeah, you can clearly see that it install nuclei templates for us. So it have almost 7,000 plus nuclei templates, means that 7,000 plus attacks will be performed on the target in order to find vulnerabilities. So yeah, it's usage, we are not learning its usage right now, we are just covering the tools. Once we done with it, then we gonna cover up the rest of the stuff, how to use them, etc.
Guys, you can enroll for my cybersecurity premium bootcamp. Master the art of cybersecurity in one course. It have everything that you need, each and everything. So it is officially available at masoodsec.com. You can just simply visit the masoodsec.com, and then you can just simply come to the course area, and in the course area you will find my course. So you can just simply look for it. Okay. So if you want it, let me know. Just contact with me. I'm going to enroll you for this course. So yeah, it have everything, so you can just click on WhatsApp, you will be directly redirected to my WhatsApp number, or even though you can contact me on LinkedIn or Facebook if you want it.